Hello, everybody. The people of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, most backward classes, other backward classes, and minorities. Today, I want to express some of the anxieties of the country for which the intellectuals of the society should come forward. When we turn over the first page of our Indian Constitution, preambles comes. In preamble, we have assured the country men to provide social justice, political justice, and economical justice, and also the other justices to all the citizens of the country. But we are not providing social justice, economic justice, political justice, and other justices to the Indian people because there is no representation of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, most backward and minorities people in Supreme Court and High Courts of the country. After meticulous perusal, we will see that the Indian people are classified into 6 classes. The poorest one is called scheduled tribe, second one is called scheduled caste, third one is called scheduled tribe, fourth one is called most backward classes, fifth one is called minorities, and sixth one is general class, commonly known as forward class. So there are 6 classes of people in India. The population of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, most backward, other backward classes and minorities are 90% in this country. But it is astonishing, it is very much embarrassing that in the High Court and Supreme Court, the representation of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, most backward classes and minorities are negligible. So we have to face this problem that we are unable to provide social justice, economic justice, political justice and other justices to our poor section of the society, which belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, most backward classes and minorities. Our anxiety is how to give the proper and adequate representation in the appointment of judges of Supreme Court and High Court of this country. So the people are too much under anxieties that we are not getting justice, especially the people of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, most backward classes and minorities are feeling that their representation in Supreme Court and High Court judges are negligible. They are less than 3%. In accordance with the Karya Munda Parliamentary Committee report, survey report, the representation of SC, ST, most backward and minority judges in Supreme Court and High Courts are less than 3%. So they are hopeless, and the people belonging to SC, ST, most backward and minorities are feeling that they are not getting justice, proper justice in time. So we, the advocates, intellectuals, have prepared a reservation bill commonly known as Supreme Court, High Court Judges Appointment Reservation Bill. If this bill be passed from Parliament, the reservation policy will be implemented in the Supreme Court and High Court Judges Appointments also. So my humble expression to the people of Bihar and people of India, I would like to request from His Excellency President of India, Honorable Prime Minister, the other MPs of the countries and other MLAs and intellectual classes of people that agitation should be started from all sections of the society for getting the proper representation in Supreme Court and High Court from all sections of the society. If this will not occur, a great movement, a great revolution may take place in country. So it is humble submission and humble expression and humble submission to all the dignitaries, intellectuals of the country that may kindly take attention and get this bill, Supreme Court, High Court Judges Appointment Reservation Bill, passed from Parliament. For this, agitation should be made in all over the country. That's why today I have discussed about the Supreme Court, High Court Judges Appointment Reservation Bill. This bill is prepared by the team of lawyers, especially by Arun Kushwaha, constitution expert, advocate, Patna High Court and Supreme Court of India. So we have to express this thing, we have to advertise this thing between the people who are willing to get the appropriate representation of all classes of people in Supreme Court and High Courts. So the High Courts and Supreme Courts are not only the courts for a particular class. These courts are nowadays the 20,000 competent lawyers are available from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, most backward classes and minorities who are eligible to be elevated as judge of Honorable Supreme Court and High Court as well. But they are not getting proper representation because there is a undemocratic and unconstitutional collegium system. Collegium system is nothing but a selection team in which senior most judges are there in the Supreme Court and High Courts. And in senior judges, there is no representation of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, most backward classes and minority. That's why their names are not being sent. Their names were not being recommended by the collegium committee. Collegium is nothing but a committee of senior judges of High Court and senior judges of Supreme Court. And senior judges of High Courts and Supreme Courts are belonging to forward classes only. That's why they are selecting their own wards, their own sons, their own daughters, their own blood relatives. And SC, ST, most backward and minorities people are being discarded. Their representations are not being given. That's why I appeal to President of India, Prime Minister, all MPs of the country, all MLAs, and all social activists, all intellectuals of the country belonging to SC, ST, most backward and minorities, that if you have to make arrangement for providing proper social justice, economic justice, political justice, and other justices to all citizens of the country, we have to make agitation in all of our country for passing of the Supreme Court, High Court Judges Appointment Reservation Bill. If this bill will be enacted by the Parliament, then reservation will be given to SC, ST, most backward and minorities lawyers in appointment of judges of Supreme Court and High Courts in accordance with their 90% population. 90% reservation will come in force if this bill be passed. So Supreme Court, High Court Judges Appointment Reservation Bill should be passed from Parliament, and the people belonging to SC, ST, most backward and minority should make agitation from all parts of the country for passing of this bill. I, Arun Kushwaha, constitution expert, advocate, Patna High Court and Supreme Court of India. Thank you very much to all.